There are many things that poor people do that a rich person just doesn't do, and it can be hard to hear, but there is definitely a lot of truth in that. I'm guilty of most of these things, and sometimes it's challenging to be careful not to fall into my poor pit by doing things that won't serve me. However, if you're a wealth seeker who is always looking for ways to improve as a person, you may want to consider cutting these things out of your life. Let's see what most of the poor people do, compared to the rich people. Number 1. Waking up late and sleeping too much. Now this is almost an explanation in itself, but you will not find a single person on this planet who has reached wealth by sleeping late, and although it seems so clear, most people still fail at it. The thing is, you have to start somewhere. Take it slowly and gradually wake up earlier each morning. Plan your time better to make sure you get enough sleep. Soon enough you will program your body to wake up early and there will be less attraction. Successful people always wake up to have time to plan their day. Most of them have a routine to ensure that they are ready to meet the day before. Number 2. Watching a lot of TV. This is probably one of the hardest things to get rid of, because we all have this series or show that we just can't miss an episode. I'm not saying throw your TV out the window and never think about it again. I'm just saying that if you can't miss an episode, a movie, or can't wait to go home to turn on the TV and relax, then you're probably on the wrong track with your connection to the TV. This is time-consuming and will not bring anything into your pocket and certainly does not favor your life, and it will prevent you from doing things that add more value to your life. A quick reminder. If you are new to my channel and you want to see more free educational videos like this one, you can give us a like, comment, and press the bell next to the subscribe button. This is how you tell YouTube's algorithm to show you what you want to see, rather than choosing it randomly. Thank you. Number 3. Eating fast food. Most people will say that they are so busy that they do not have time to cook or prepare food, and therefore they order fast food. I would say that fast food is more expensive than food that you would make yourself, and fast food is unhealthy, period. Your body is an amazing machine. If you eat the right things, your body will perform incredibly well. If your body does not get the food it needs, you will not feel well and you will not function optimally. And if you want to be able to cope with a rich lifestyle, you must be able to work optimally on a daily basis. Feel good, look good, and be healthy. Number 4. Poor people think they have all the answers. If you ask a poor person why they are poor, they will give an answer, or rather their belief why they are poor. One of the things poor people do is talking about other people, rather than ideas. Poor people tend to be opinionated about anything that is outside their realm of influence. Rich people are continuously learning, continuously growing, and stepping out over their own boundaries in the search for self-development. What's worse than people that have an opinion on everything? People that listen to them. It doesn't matter how perfectly you do things or how successful you become, there will always be haters. Haters will drag you down to their level if you let them. That's all they want, to feel equal. Number 5. Poor people believe that money is the root of all evil. Rich people, we believe that poverty is the root of all evil. You've heard of the saying, money is the root of all evil. No, lack of money is the root of all evil. I want you to look at the poorest neighborhoods. I want you to think about those areas. Crime, drugs problems, all kinds of issues. You see, in the history of mankind, no banks have been robbed by someone pulling up in a Rolls-Royce. It is the survival, it's the lack of money, that's causing the issue. Money itself is neutral. Money is like a tool, you can use it for good, or you can use it for evil. It is all up to you. Number 6. Poor people have a lottery mentality. Rich people, we have an action mentality. You see, most people believe the only way to get rich is by buying that lottery ticket. Even though they know that the chance of winning is slim to none, but they buy that fantasy. I've heard many times this phrase from people who have a lottery mentality. If I win, I'm gonna buy that house. I'm gonna quit that job. I'm gonna take that vacation. No, rich people have an action mindset. We believe, if it's gonna be, it's up to me. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make myself successful. I don't need to rely on some third party, and I definitely don't need to rely on some lottery ticket. I'm gonna make it happen. Number 7. Spending all of your time with other poor people. Most of us know the saying. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. The people you spend the most time with shape who you are. I find this so true. You need to spend most of your time with people who have the mentality of successful people. If you talk most of the time about negative things in the world, you will never succeed, but if you talk about how to overcome the negative things and seek growth and development in your life, at some point you will reach your dreams. You need people who talk the same conversations and walk the same walk as the ones you want to be. Number 8. Poor people believe that others should help them reach the top. No one will be responsible for your success, no one will help you achieve it. Once you realize that your success will depend only on you, then you will have complete clarity on your way forward. Other people will not help you succeed, it may just keep you going. I started an online business and I work to get rich, to create a life free from these bad habits that don't serve me, and to help so many like-minded people do the same. By eliminating these habits, I know that this should bring you one step closer to your dreams. I definitely see the change it brings to my life.